Hot Mess Kitchen.
Shakira, ¿eres tú?
Welcome to Zina's kitchen. This video is for you, Josiah, as I promised that I'd make a video about how I cook my horse meat. Step 1, we need to get it out of the fridge.
Duh.
Beautiful. This one has turned a weird color. I admit it's been in the fridge for like 3 days. The other ones look fine. We're gonna throw this out.
Duh.
A few moments later.
So horse meat is actually cheaper than beef right now. We get it from Ferme Guillon. They have local products sourced from Quebec. I like to get the family size pack. I have made this twice before, and honestly, like, I've just finagled the recipe. I've put it together the same way I would beef, so just on a skillet.
I have no idea what I'm doing or where I'm going.
Salt, pepper, spices, that's it. So I bring you here. Skillet.
Hello, how are you?
I don't know if it's still good. Victor, do you think this still smells okay? It has a stinky smell, eh? It's been in the fridge too long.
Oh, hell no!
We're gonna film this again.
Inside I cry.
The next day.
The next day! This is the next day, yeah! We're gonna make some horse meat! Give me that, I'm hiding the dirty dishes here.
Ugly, you are disgusting, I'm gonna kill you, give me $200.
Oh, it's starting to smoke! I just want to mention that if the pot looks dirty, well, it's not. It's just that I used it to cook veggies before, and that's the spices from the previous cooking that I did. This one doesn't smell disgust.
Nice.
Not today. Oh, it smells so nice, actually. I'm gonna add some salt. It's the end of the day. Just came back from the gym. First day back at work after the holidays. Go girl, don't give a damn. She wants to make this quick so she can go back to reading. So what I'm doing now is just making sure that every single part of it gets cooked, mashing it into small, tiny pieces. This took me for freaking ever. So if anyone has any tips on how to make this go fast, let me know. When it was about halfway cooked, I added a pretty liberal amount of garlic powder. This may seem like a lot, but I promise you it turned out delicious. Followed up by a pretty liberal amount of onion powder. Again, I promise you, it turned out delicious. And yeah, I know the pot is not fully on top of the stovetop, but hey, leave me alone. And when it's finally starting to shape up like something, I added a dash of soy sauce, a lot of cumin, and a bunch of parsley. So now, we're gonna try it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's flavorful, it's good. We didn't hesitate on the spices. We use them spices, and that's how I make my horse meat.
Nice.
Video dedicated to you, Josiah. Hope this makes you happy. And yeah.